Hey, what's up? I'm back with episode 5 of Chainsaw Man. So, last episode, we saved Power and the kitty cat, but then we needed saving, and then Aki came in and he did his cone thing, and then we got saved, and we met some new characters, and Aki is a great babysitter now, and, Denji's gonna cop a feel, I guess. So, let's jump into it. Why look like she was taking a nap? Oh, she's just waiting, like, okay. They do have such detailed fingernails. Oh, he did it! Does this count as one? It's not. Huh? You're a little padded? It's like, whatever. I don't want to do it anymore! He's like, much smaller now. He's like, I don't like him anymore. Oh, he's so... I thought he would, like, save them, at least. Did you have a good time? Did you realize that this isn't it? But, huh? This ain't it? Whoa! That cat flew. He's like, that's it? This is... my dream? That's it? Yeah. Maybe she wasn't the right one. It can't just be anyone. I haven't been paying attention to the people in the background. They're not moving. Have you been awake? Did you sleep? Are you traumatized? You're just like, my dream of... Oh my... Oh. It just wasn't it. Chop. Denji. He's not there. Can you... Yeah, I thought my dream was really big. It wasn't anything. It wasn't all that. You weren't aiming high enough. Mune? What are we doing? What? Are you... They really like fingernails. I like that. There's so much detail. Bro, this is giving me that scene in Final Fantasy VII with Cloud and the hand lady and... Denji's about to... This is it. You are the dream. Yes, ma'am. That's the goal. She is the goal. Oh! We went into him! How's that? That's a completely different reaction. He, how old is Denji anyway? Okay, go kill this thing over there. Basically what I said. Of course, of course America! Of course it's the gun devil in America, of course! It's like, yes, anything for you, queen. Even if it's itchy? If you're Denji. Why is he so cute though?
ってもいいくらい強くて悪い悪魔なの。悪魔対策に世界中が銃で儲けようとしてた時期に事件に対策が増えたんだ。銃が前よりも怖がられるようになったあたりかな。
Interesting.
アメリカ
Yeah, that sounds like us.
が起こったの。
Yeah, that sounds like us.
銃の悪魔
これが僕の住んでいるところさ、とネズミが言いました。その家
あ
はなんと大きかったことでしょう。
太陽の具合が良くないんだ。一人でできる遊びをしなさい。
そんなのいつもだ。太陽が元気な時なんてないじゃん。一人で遊びなさい。
Hmm.
僕、お兄ちゃんと遊びたい。
Can you? You're not sick? Oh, come. I wonder when we're getting snow. It started to get cold again. It was warm last week. I was freezing last night. Oh my gosh.
ついてくんなよ。俺は一人で遊べるんだ。
I'm trying to figure out if this is like a Aki backstory, then which one of them is Aki? Although I think the parents said the kid's name, so I guess the older one is this kid gonna die? Wait, he said his whole family was.
家からグローブ取ってこい。
Wait, I got a bad feeling. You said, right? Back at the house? Wait, no, I think that the eldest one is obviously Aki, and your family is about to get slaughtered, I think. Or blown away. Wow. That's so sad.
銃の悪魔を少しでも弱くする災害などの報道が規制されるようになった。
なんかよくわからないけど、なんかよくわからないくらい強い。
デンジ君なら
まあ、
Good luck,
って
Denji.
いうか、俺がすっげえドカンと頑張ればでしょ。
Okay.
それならまずは銃の悪魔を見つけなきゃだね。
どうやってそいつを見つけ？
集めた銃の悪魔の肉片。移動速度が速すぎて体が少し焦げ落ちたみたい。悪魔がこの肉片を食べると銃の悪魔の力で
You gonna feed him some bullets? You got some fingers
強
too?
い悪魔だからね。この肉片がある程度の大きさに取ろうとするみたい。だ
Interesting.
からこの肉片をもっと大きく銃の悪魔にたどり着く。
見つけました。
やっぱり銃野郎の肉片食べてたか。雑魚悪魔にしちゃ強かったからな。食べさせたのか。
Eyes are so pretty too.
どっちでもやることは同じです。悪魔は全部。
公安に悪魔の駆除要請。ホテル内部で悪魔に目撃。複数人が死亡。
So we're gonna go in.
銃の悪魔の肉片を食べている悪魔です。4か6人を出動させます。
I don't know, the little one, she seems scared.
このホテル内のどこかに潜んでいるこれはただの悪魔じゃない。肉片を食べた悪魔。銃の悪魔本人がいるんじゃねえの？肉片が大きいほど強く引き寄せる。この時
Yeah.
そうなんだ。
いいのそれ。わしによこせ。
No.
お前ら。あ？
Eh?
何の得もねえのよ。
Gum?
早川先輩。
He gives them gum and they oh my gosh, they're children. They are just children. Oh my gosh, I hate having like gum and like people be like, oh, you got gum? Can I have some gum? You gum? You don't get rights.
こいつめっちゃキレてんじゃん。あれはいたずらレベルじゃねえ。殺すぞ。
Eh? Do tell, do tell.
そうだぜ。コウモリに殺されかけたと。
おお。よし。私が一肌脱いでやろう。
You'll take one for the team?
悪魔を倒した人にはなんと私がほっぺにキスしてあげます。
Who wants it? Oh, you Oh. Huh? Who wants it? Do you...
でもいいや大丈夫やる気はあっから俺は初めての銃は誰にするか決めてんだなんだかを集めてよ銃の悪魔を
Aki's like
はあアキくんの前でそれを
大切なことを教わったエッチなことは理解し合った人間同士でするからあんたの
I don't even know your name.
ないね
え
じゃあデンジ君が悪魔を倒れろを入れたキスして
えDenji, Denji. See here.
血が飲みたい
The ah! Okay. I wish to join you. They're freaking children.
荒井くんは実力不足だけどやり込み思案だけど
Never mind, you're talking about them.
アキ
She's
く
in.
んはこの真珠に生き残れると思う
こいつは強いのと思ったやつそうでないやつ1年あれば死ぬか敏感に
答えになってないアキくんは死なないでね
You too, shorty. Boy. You are an all anime ever.
俺は
君を使えるの君で6年
It's my sixth one. They're all dead. Okay.
使えない族だから全員アキくんは死なないでね
Hi, senpai.
本当に信用でき
We want to stay together. I mean, splitting up probably isn't a good idea, so maybe we should stay together. But I mean, splitting up would make the time. But never mind, stay together. Forget anything I just said. Nope. No, why? But why? Hello. Do you want to talk? Oh. He sees as a girl. Where's the bullet thing at? Oh. No, she.
私の力
Ninja.
幽霊の悪魔と契約してる
A ghost?
私使えるってわけ私のゴースト透明で力持ちで便利でしょ
Wow.
どうアキくん銃野郎の肉片はある
じゃないですね
Huh.
じゃあ上の階に行くか
わしの前で己の力をペラペラ喋ってよいのか制御するためじゃろ
力を知ってた方が連携取れやすいでしょそれに切り
Yeah.
隠してるオッケーオッケー
じゃあわしがこいつを殺すと言ったらどうする
武器を引っ込めなするぞ
Tee. Oh. So behave, young
めん
lady.
どくさいから仲良くやろうよ
Trying to kiss. Huh?
どうした
俺たち今8階から9階へ行く階段を登りました。
Are we looping? Oh, it's the ninth floor then.
じゃねえの
No. It's like preventing you from going.
俺ステーキ食ってみて
We're stuck.
今階段降りていったよね
Wait, we're stuck in general. Girl? Okay. What does she do? I hope she's like, she does something. Like she's strong in some type of way. Cause like, girl, you being so scary. I don't think it's good for this job. Okay, so we're like trapped in like one of those loop things. That's not good. Okay, so Denji has something to, he got the thing originally that he wanted, but then he realized, yeah, no, I didn't really like this. wasn't that great. It was okay, I guess. But he realized that he wasn't aiming high enough. He needed to aim for a certain someone. So, yes, now he's got a newfound goal in life, I guess now. Gotta take down the gun devil so that we may have Makima-san. Yeah, her whole thing, that was very sensual. Was he okay after that? I really want to know, like, these rookies, like the two rookies, are they gonna be any use? They're not gonna, like, die anytime soon, right? We gotta see them do something at least. So yeah, but that's gonna be it for me, dears. Check out the stuff that's up there. It's always in the links in the description down below if you're on YouTube. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll help me out a lot. Thanks. I'll see you, dear, sometime soon. Bye bye.